and welcome to another video by SmartPath Tutoring, GCSE Chemistry. Today's video is about the development of the periodic table. In the early 80s, elements were arranged by atomic weight. Until quite recently, there were two obvious ways to categorize elements: their physical and chemical properties, their atomic weight. Remember, scientists had no idea of atomic structure or of protons, neutrons, or electrons. So there was no such thing as atomic number to them. It was only in the 20th century, after protons and electrons were discovered, that it was realized the elements were best arranged in order of atomic number. Back then, the only thing they could measure was atomic weight, and so the known elements were arranged in order of atomic weight. When this was done, a periodic pattern was noticed in the properties of the elements. This is where the name periodic table comes from. Early periodic tables were not complete, and some elements were placed in the wrong group. This is because elements were placed in the order of atomic weight and their properties not taken into account. Dmitry Mendeleev left gaps and predicted new elements. In 1869, Dmitry Mendeleev overcame some of the problems of early periodic tables by taking 50 known elements and arranging them into his table of elements, with various gaps as shown. Mendeleev put the elements mainly in order of atomic weight, but did switch that order if the properties meant it should be changed. An example of this can be seen with T, E, and I. Iodine actually has a smaller atomic weight but is placed after tellurium, as it has similar properties to the elements in that group. Dmitry Mendeleev left gaps and predicted new elements. Gaps were left in the table to make sure that elements with similar properties stayed in the same groups. Some of these gaps indicated the existence of undiscovered elements and allowed Mendeleev to predict what their properties might be. When they were found and they fitted the pattern, it helped confirm Mendeleev's ideas. For example, Mendeleev made really good predictions about the chemical and physical properties of an element he called silicon, which we know today as germanium. The discovery of isotopes in the early 20th century confirmed that Mendeleev was correct to not place elements in a strict order of atomic weight, but to also take account of their properties. Isotopes of the same element have discovered masses but have the same chemical properties, so occupy the same position on the periodic table. Thank you for listening.